Welcome guys. Today we'll be talking about a generator. I'll be showing you guys the basic components that made up a generator. This is a 20 kVA 400 series generator. Major components, which is the alternator, the prime mover, and the starter panel. The prime mover is seen as the mechanical aspect of a generator, while the alternator is the electrical aspect of a generator. The starter panel is the electronics aspect of a generator. Now, this prime mover as the mechanical aspect is an internal combustion engine which works simultaneously with every other component here to generate power, and the electrical component, which is the alternator, produces the electrical power, converts the mechanical power to electrical power. Now, this prime mover has so many components here, which subsequently we'll talk about them one after the other. But for now, there are some items I'm going to show you, which are the injector pump. This is the fuel filter housing. This is the oil filter. This is the injector solenoid. These are the nozzles. This is the valve cover. This here is the top cylinder. This is the radiator hose. We have the fan blade inside. This is the radiator guide. This is the sump, also known as the bottom plate. Come inside. Here we have the kickstarter. This here is the air cleaner housing. Here is the charging system alternator. This is the water gallery. This is the water switch. We have the down hose of a radiator. You have the charging system alternator belt. Now, what we discuss about here is the prime mover, which is the mechanical aspect. But this alternator here consists of three major parts, which is the armature, the feed coil, and the AVRO. And we also have the exciter coil in here. So basic parts for an alternator. Now, here we have the trellis board, and this is the panel, the starting panel. On this panel, this red button you see here is the emergency stop, while this module is the starting module. Here you can check the activities going on in the generator, the oil pressure level, the water temperature level, and the voltage that it generates. Everything you can check on this panel, just like a dashboard of a vehicle. This is why you oversee everything going on this generator, the operations. And here is the circuit breaker. The circuit breaker is what powers the house. So if you bring this breaker down, you have disconnected the power from the house. So if you bring it up, you are sending power to the house. Guys, that will be all for now. Follow me for more videos. I'll be showing you how to start a generator, how to turn off a generator, how you can identify some basic alarms like oil pressure, water temperature, charging alternator failure. All those symbols, I will show you the symbols and what they represent on the generator panel. I am Diesel Expert. Follow me for more videos. Thank you.